Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening a private window in your browser, so new tabs won't save history or cookies. In Safari, use File New Private Window. In Chrome or Edge, pick New Incognito Window. Once done, check the window's dark theme or incognito icon to confirm private mode. Make sure you're not signed into services you want isolated. Sign out first when necessary. This step prevents local history and site data from being retained during this browsing session. Next, you tighten privacy settings to prevent leaks beyond the temporary private window. Disable or whitelist extensions because some still collect data. Enable extension only in private where available. Make sure autofill is off and clear cookies and cache before sensitive browsing to remove persistent identifiers. If you need to hide your IP or avoid network-level tracking, enable a trusted VPN or Tor. This is why private windows alone don't. To finish, close all private windows to trigger session data deletion. Private mode discards history and site data when closed. Verify by reopening a normal window and checking history and cookie lists to confirm nothing was saved. If sites still show remembered logins, clear site data manually and sign out of accounts. If private browsing seems ineffective, disable extensions or restart the browser, and make sure system-level sync or profiles aren't reintroducing data. This troubleshooting step resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.